Hi there, let me show you how to set a personal hotspot on your iPhone 15. And first of all, we just need to open settings, and after this, we will be able to see this tab which is named Personal Hotspot. Firstly, just turn it on, allow others to join, tap on this switcher, and now we can set Wi-Fi password. You can just leave this one or set your own password. For example, let's set 1 till 6. And that's not allowed, so let's set it till 8 and then tap done. And now when another person wanna use your Wi-Fi, you just need to give them your password and enable this allow others to join feature. And you can also use your phone as a router via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or USB. This is really convenient. For example, when there is no Wi-Fi in a cafe, just connect your phone to your computer and start using surfing the website. And also you can find the hotspot just by swiping down from the upper right corner and just press and hold this tab and you'll see the personal hotspot feature. If it's green, then it's working. If you tap it again, then it is disabled. And that's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching.